Red ZX4 here again, and this is Pretty Little Liars, new season, part 5, number 2. I just finished watching the big reveal of who's A, and it was Mona. Yeah, no surprise there if we read the books. But why did Clever TV tell us it was someone else? Now it's someone else. Someone else takes the name, assumes the identity of A, and is going after the girls. And I can't fucking believe this shit, because I thought, oh my god, it's someone else. No, it's Mona's A. I can't fucking believe this shit. But, I want to know from you guys, what was your reaction on the big reveal? Because to me, I thought it was someone else, but no, they were going by the books, but now this whole nightmare happens again, because they find Maya's dead body. I believe it is Maya's dead body. We won't know until this summer when the new episodes start coming in. So what was your reaction on the big reveal? Send a comment or a video response. Also, I want to say this. If you saw any of my Pretty Little Liar videos, and you noticed I said the 3rd season or the 4th season, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for confusing you guys. I made a mistake. I thought we were beyond season 2, but I guess we were, finished up with season 2. So we won't know, so I want to apologize for that and anything else I gotten wrong. But I can't wait for the new season, for the next season, and I can't wait to do more Pretty Little Liar videos. But my Pretty Little Liar videos are going to be called Red ZX4's Pretty Little Liar Corners instead of Pretty Little Liars Part 1 to 5. So this has been Red ZX4. I'm out.